the 2020 Ram 1500. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 350 horsepower, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a trip computer, a trailer hitch, and cruise control. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.